How to fix Booksy app not working. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can fix your Booksy app not working. So if you're experiencing issues with the Booksy app not working, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing you should try is by restarting the application. So this is my Booksy app, as you can see, and then you can decide to close the app completely and then reopen it. And how do you close the app completely? You can do that by minimizing or your phone, depending on your phone's settings. And then once you see the Booksy app, ensure you close it down completely, and then you can go back and restart it. So that's the first thing. A simple restart can resolve minor glitches. And then the second thing you can do is to check for updates. And how do you check for updates? By going to the store where you got the application from. So is it Play Store? Is it App Store? Just go there. And then once you're in the stores page, the next step is to go to the search box, click on it, and then type out Booksy. And after typing it out, you can see it here being displayed, and then you will see two options here: uninstall and update. If there is a recent update on the application, you will see the option update here. So all you need to do is to click on it and then ensure that it is updated. This is because outdated version may have compatibility issues with your device, so ensure that it is up to date. And then once you've tried that out, the second thing you can do is to clear your cache and data. So if you're making use of an Android phone like I am here, just go to your settings, and then once you're on your settings page, scroll down, click on app management. Yours could be apps depending on the settings of your phone. Then click on app list, and then in the search box type out Booksy so as to clear the cache and the data. So as typing out Booksy, click on the search icon so that the app can be displayed. So once the app is found, click on it, and then on the details page, select storage and cache. And here, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see two options: clear storage, clear cache. Just go ahead and click on clear cache, and then go ahead and restart the application. But for iPhone, for those using an iPhone, you would have to uninstall and reinstall the application to clear its cache. And then the second thing, or another thing that you can try, is to check your internet connection. So make sure you have a stable internet connection, and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it resolves the issue. Another thing you can try is to restart your device. Ensure that sometimes a device restart can help resolve app related problems. And then if you try all of these and none of them work, the next thing you should do is to reach out to Booksy customer support for further assistance. And you can reach out to them by going to your web browser on your mobile phone. It could be any one of your choice. Could be any kind of web browser you're using, and then just type out Booksy customer support or customer service, and go ahead, make a contact and ask your questions, and you'll be directed on what to do. So remember to follow these steps in order, and definitely your Booksy app will start working smoothly again. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.